Hello mga friends, good afternoon. Ngayon ay Sunday ng hapon. Ewan ko kung anong oras. I think it's 5. Let me check. It's 5:30 ng hapon mga friends. At ang gagawin natin ngayon ay we are going to harvest our onions. The long wait is over because we are going to harvest our onions. And I'm very excited to see how much onions I'm going to harvest. Yeah, very excited to see the results of this month's hard work mga friends. So papunta na tayo doon. Mahangin, super hangin dito ngayon, and we have heat wave again. So dahil nga mahangin, I think I cannot talk because of the sound of the wind. And then ang gagawin ko na lang mga friends ay I'm going to voice over. I hope na makapag voice over tayo mga friends. Okay, so tara na at mag-harvest sa ating mga onions. Alright friends, so nandito na tayo ngayon sa ating garden and we are going to harvest this first bed of our onion. Ano mga friends, some onions lang ang nandyan kasi dito ako nagtanim ng mga lettuces. So this is the middle part of our garden. So pag entrance ka, pag umenter ka, if you're going to enter in our garden, you will see this part first. And then this is the left side mga friends. And nandito yung mga ano natin, mga onions and tomatoes. So ayan, may mga tomatoes siya dyan, mga friends. So we are going to harvest that. And then the second bed is with onions. Karamihan dito is onion. And there is one volunteer tomato. And I planted one English cucumber. And also one marigold. Yun lang mga friends. Tapos yung celery, that was last year pa yan. And this is the second bed. As in, nakaramihan din is onion. I have 2 sunflowers here. Yun lang. And then, one volunteer doon na marigold. Yun lang, mga friends. Ang laman niya. And then, onions. And then here, another bed. Mixed din ito, mga friends. So, I have 4 round zucchinis here. And then, mga onions. And then, finally, I can see one zinnia. Yan lang ang my flowers at the moment mga friends, and that is a volunteer. And may isa din akong volunteer doon na palaya na hindi siya lumalaki mga friends. And then I also have tomatoes na volunteer doon, and then yung taro root na inilagay ko. Ang akala ko lang yung lupa ang nailagay ko dyan. Yung lupa pala na yun ay may taro root siya inside. So, ayun, tumubo siya. And then the rest is tomato. And then the rest is onion. And then here, dito naman, mga friends, wala tayong itinanim na onions dito. And most of these are from these plants. My friend Lupe gave me itong mga seedlings na to, and then lumaki sila. And then we have one marigold in there na magandang pagkalaki. And then these are calzots, mga friends. So I'm going to harvest this one too, and I'm going to plant in November. Yes. And this bed, we have our Black Beauty zucchini. As you can see, ganyan ang bunga ng Black Beauty zucchini, mga friends. I also have cucumber and more onions. And then here, my tomatoes. Look at this tomato, it's huge. Ayan. And I think someone is eating my tomato dahil look, mga friends, I don't know, someone is enjoying my tomatoes. And then if you remember my black-eyed beans, ayan, may bunga na sila. Ayan, friends. Yes, I'm very happy. And our tomatoes, may mga bunga din siya. So very happy. And this is the bed, mga friends, as in marami tayong onions dito. So I'm very happy to see how much onions I can get, mga friends, this year. So I'm so excited. So let's go and harvest. Ito naman ang i-harvest natin, mga friends, here. And now yung bed naman na yan, mga friends. Hello mga friends, so medyo marami ito, this one, medyo marami sila. Yan, wala na rin doon. Yan naman is dito, this here. Now let's check here, dear friends. Konti lang ang inalagay ko dito, mga friends, sa gilid-gilid lang. Malaki din, ha? And now, mga friends, yung pinakamarami. Punta tayo doon banda. friends, yan ang na-harvest natin. Yan sa space na yan, very little. I mean, this is quite long. I don't know, maybe 2, I'm not sure. Yeah, 2.5 meters, I think, from here until there, doon sa may tanim.
Hear that two-tone humming, headed out to the highway. I should have seen it coming through the years left in the dust. But after all the lessons learned, it would end the both of us. There's a first for everything, like a hand holding mine. Now I'm left here with the pain from her goodbye. And though it hurts to watch my whole world become the woman she would be, the thing that I forgot would set her free. I taught her how to leave. Man, it feels like yesterday when she was looking out that window on the bus to 2nd grade. The first step she'd ever take, the first cut from a heartbreak. Been through it all, but now it's time to go our separate ways. But there's a first for everything, like a hand holding mine.
And these are my red onions, mga friends. I have to find a place to keep these ones as well, or maybe I'm going to tie them, and that's it. And these ones are the ones that are, you know, quite ready. So, and some of them no stalks already, and some of them are quite open like this. So I separated, and we are going to use these ones first. I have two, I think, like 2 or 3 like this. Look. So we're going to use these ones first, and then yung mga iba, as in totally dry na sila. Ayan, like this one. Yeah, so ito ang gagamitin natin. And these ones are my red ones. So what I'm going to do tomorrow is I will tie them, mga friends. Yeah, and then hang somewhere around here too. So konti lang yung ano natin, yung red onions natin. And ayan, ang gaganda nila. Look at that. They're so beautiful. Yeah, konti lang talaga yung binili ko na red onions because I just want to try. So ayan. And these ones are our storage onions. Ito nga, these ones and also these ones are our storage onions. So we have to dry here under the tree. Under the trees kasi maraming trees of pomegranate trees, figs, pomegranate tree, fig, and cypress tree. As in na, I'm so grateful, mga friends. I did this.